Here's the app called Lingvist, Learn Languages Fast. So let's just install it and take a look. Of course, probably you've heard about Duolingo, some other apps, but this is a nice alternative. It's a fast-growing app where you can just easily create an account. And there are a lot of new languages being added, like almost weekly. You can see just recently they added Danish, Japanese, Korean, Norwegian, Polish, Swedish, and then what you want to learn, like for example Danish, and then from English, and then you just while you're learning, and then you can just easily create an account with Apple, Facebook, Google, or email. So then you can just sign up with Apple. And then let's start in quick exercise. Can you translate the word time into Danish? And then you can just learn the word, for example. Tid.
Tid.
And then, yeah, you just go and then
Dag. Livet. Livet.
and then you can start from the beginning, or you can take the placement test just as you want, and you just select. And that's the idea of this app. So yeah, that's how it works. Then you have you can set your goals, you can set your progress, you can see your content, text, exercises, word playlist. Then you can just go to learn, and you'll return to the learning section. You can just see insights, you can see your progress, word list, knowledge lab, calendar, history, and then you can see also your account settings. If you want, you can delete your account. Then you can just have your profile, your name, you can change it. So yeah, that's basically what it is.